Yeah, hey Jimmy, it was good talking to you, man, but I'm gonna get to praying. I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my praying right now, but I'll see you, man. Yeah, dude, love you, bye. God, I really need your help right now. I just pray you'd come and speak with me and talk with me today. Oh, hey God, hey, thanks for coming. I need to talk to you about something. So hey, I've got this great idea, okay? So tomorrow night we're doing a lock-in. It's for the youth and whatnot. And I've got this great idea. So we're like doing an hour of prayer, an hour of worship and everything. And then like I've got a sermon conjured up and everything. And I'm thinking I'm going to walk out at the end of the sermon with the cross on my back. You know, we got that one cross here at the church. I'm going to carry that out. And I really need you to show up in that time. Because like, I want the kids to understand, like they got to carry their cross. And I want to be one of those like really emotional. I need them to feel your Holy Spirit there tomorrow night. So I just need you to really show up and work with those kids and do something awesome tomorrow night at that lock-in. That would be great.
Is this the first time that you've talked to me about this?
Well, I mean, yeah. I mean, at least I'm not telling you tomorrow night, God. You know what I'm saying? Like, it could have been worse. I could have waited till like last minute to pray to you and whatnot. You know what I'm saying?
So this is, you think this is what I want you to do? Is it?
I'm preaching the word, right? You said your word does it. I'm preaching the word, and I'm carrying out a cross. Like, I'm not teaching anything wrong. You know, I should. It's probably something great, right? I mean, I just need you to show up. That's. I mean, I know I'm doing something good. It's every church does lock-ins, man. It's just the way it is.
Well, we'll see how it goes then.
Micah, I really think you need to get a Coke machine or something for those kids up there in that youth group. A table of food, you know,
Yeah.
so they can just go up there. They won't be running up and down the steps. They can stay in the room. They have their snacks. Let them eat everything
it's a
before you
thought.
start preaching.
It's a thought. I'll think about it. I'll let you know. I appreciate you talking to me.
Okay.
All right. So.
So warm up the.
Sylvia, every time I try and do something in the youth group, Sylvia comes along, just has some bright idea about what to do, and I guess I can see where she's coming from. She's got a good heart, but oh my gosh, it's just annoying. I can't stand it.
She's always got something to say. I know.
Oh, hey God.
Hey, I need to talk to you.
Hold on. I got to talk to you about something first, God. You know, the other day I was playing basketball with some of the guys in the group, and I really busted up my left knee. And like I've got a bit of a limp, and I'm afraid that like, we're going on a roller skating trip, you know, next Friday, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna hurt it again. And I just really need you to heal this knee up, because like it's really causing me problems. And I don't want to like trip or like snap it in half or cave in or anything. It's really frustrating me. So if you could heal that, that'd be great.
Do you really think I could answer your prayer and you talking about Sylvia like that?
Well, hey, listen, I was talking about Sylvia like that, but I don't talk about you like that, God. I don't talk to you like that. So I mean, it's just my knee. It's not a big deal.
Listen, man, you can't live wrong and pray right. I mean, we're just going to leave your knee the way it is for the time being.
The roller skating.
Listen, man, we need to talk about something.
Hey, listen, man, I'd love to talk and stuff right now, but I'm working on the service for next week, like next Wednesday night service, and I want it to be the best service it can be. You know, I want the kids to really feel you and that kind of stuff. I don't know if I really have time to talk, and, you know, I don't have the time for it.
It won't take but a minute.
Well, and see it. I mean, but even then, the Clippers are playing here in a few minutes, and I want to make sure I watch them. So I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible so I can get and watch the game. God, I just really need you to help my friend Jimmy. He really needs to know you. He really needs salvation. I just pray you'll go to him, God, and you'll just take him by the hand and reveal it to him what you want to do in his life. And just that your power would flow through him, God. I just pray he'd just know you. He'd just come to realize who you are. Oh, hey, God.
I hear you've been praying for your friend Jimmy.
Yeah, he really needs you, God. He really needs your help.
I understand. Why don't you go talk to him? Explain salvation to him.
Well, hey, listen, man. I mean, I get that I'm supposed to, but you can talk to Jimmy so much better than I can. It'd be so much easier if you just went and helped him and saved him, and I didn't have to do much work at all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand. Looks like you're on your own.
Listen, God, man, I can't believe it, okay? Look, I planned that lock-in and everything, and I carried the cross out and all this kind of stuff, and a lot of kids came and whatnot, but it doesn't seem like anybody got saved, anybody got anything out of the service. I don't understand why you wouldn't show up today, you know what I mean? Like, I was expecting you to come, and I really wanted you to be there, and I just don't understand why you wouldn't come. I mean, they were coming for you, they wanted to hear about you, there was a chance for salvation. Why would you do that, God? That's just crazy and ridiculous.
Listen, were you there when I formed the earth? Were you there when I created the sky?
Well, listen, man, like, I was there when you formed me in the womb, you know, like, not when you formed me, but when you formed me in the womb, so I kind of get an idea, like, I know you do things in different ways, and you kind of a mystery, the Bible tells us that, man, I just really wish you would have showed up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I cannot believe that, like, 7 kids walked away from there with absolutely nothing. They said they didn't feel anything in the service, said they didn't even understand anything that I said. I just don't get why you do that.
Well, what you think doesn't matter. What I think does. If you had asked me, I would have told you.